Hello everybody. In this tutorial we're gonna cover all the steps necessary for the creation of a website, specifically a portfolio website that is gonna allow us to show animation as QuickTime movies or Flash movies. Then we're gonna have a gallery that is gonna consist in small thumbnails that are gonna link us to an image. We're gonna have an about me, which is probably gonna be just an image with text on the side, contact, resume, and blog. So it's a typical layout for a portfolio page. The tools that we're gonna use to create this website are gonna be Photoshop, that is gonna allow us to create all the assets that we're gonna need, like thumbnails or logos or buttons. We're gonna use Dreamweaver, which is gonna allow us to not worry about the code so much and instead spend more time with worrying about the design. Dreamweaver is a program that allows us to write the code for us basically when we design a website, so we don't need to deal with HTML and all the problems that come with that. And also we're going to use Flash. We're going to use Flash to create some interactive menu for the animation page. And of course, in order to put all this material online, we're going to use any program is going to work for that. I'm using GlobalScape QFP, and this allows us to load files that are in local into a website. I already made a folder on my website called website demo, and I'm going to drag all the content in there. As you can see, the way it works is that if I go on the folder now, you can see it's empty, so there's nothing inside. But if I upload something in the folder, let's say I upload a simple image. Okay, I'm uploading this image called new logo small. Now, if I go on the website and paste the name, you can see we can already access the image. This image is now accessible from anywhere in the world, provided we type the right link. Now this image is online. So the difference between opening this image in online or in local is that first of all, nobody can see your website if it's on your computer. Website is only available if somebody has an internet connection and types the right address. And also, it's good to test every now and then the website online to make sure that it works, because sometimes it might work in local, but it may not work online. And it's also useful to test the same address on different browsers. For example, I was using Firefox. It might be useful to try the same address on Internet Explorer, because sometimes there are differences. One thing may work on one browser, not on the other. Okay. So this is the program we're going to use to upload our files online. Things that we're going to consider when we create the website. Making sure that the website is designed specifically for our needs, so that we won't be wasting our time designing a website that doesn't serve our purposes. We're gonna make sure that all the space is used in a smart way, so that most of the space is used for content and not for animations that nobody cares about or anything else. I'm gonna try to make it very easy to access, so that in few clicks you can get anywhere you want. We're gonna try to make it clear so that there's no confusion about where you are on the website or how to go back to the previous page. We're gonna try to get text to be readable, so it's big enough for everybody to read it. And we're gonna make sure it's easy to update. This is really important, because making a really complex website that looks really cool is nice, but if it's too hard and complicated, when it gets time to update it, it's gonna take a long time, and oftentimes there's no time to update a website. You need to really be able to do it real quick in 10 minutes, update it and then forget about it. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have some materials that I already had previously. For example, I won't spend time creating a demo reel. I'm gonna just assume that you have a demo reel that you created yourself using After Effects or Premiere. I'm gonna already have images for the gallery and resumes and stuff. I'm probably gonna already have some files from the beginning. Other files I'm gonna show from the very start, from the very beginning, how I created them, so that if you are interested in doing something similar to this, okay? That's pretty much it. The next tutorial I'm gonna cover the basics of Dreamweaver, just in case some people may not be familiar with it, okay?